you to know the reality of own myself as who really I am. Did I learn this aspect of my development? My personal development is the process of improving oneself through such activity and enhancing skills and building growth. And it assisted growing success of the self-help like improved self-awareness, enhance the quality of life, improving our knowledge. I discover my different kinds of emotions like stress, depression, but sometimes I feel happy. Happy, laugh, having fun, and, bending others. But before that, as I can't manage myself or controlled, sometimes I act like a word and act like a mature. I learned that we need to capitalizing our emotions, physical, mental, and also strength and weaknesses. My strength is to show my talent. We may not created as perfect, but because of our unique strength that will make us perfect. But there's strength, there's also weaknesses. My weaknesses is God fearing. If we are created in this world with strength, then we also have weaknesses. We have sometimes we to show we afraid because of our weaknesses. A man without fear cannot be wise. Let's not fear our weaknesses because strengths begin in understanding your weaknesses. Weaknesses. That's all.